this is so comfy. Bit of a different angle today, just because, yeah, it's been a long day. Thought I'd chill out, you know, catch up with you guys and show you these bad boys. The Jordan 1 Low, Howard University. We got there in the end. Clean colorway. Is it the year of the Jordan 1 Low? I do believe, strongly believe, the low has had a better year than the highs. You can argue with yourselves in the comments in terms of standout colorways and sneakers that we are actually interested in at the moment. This is coming from an Air Max guy, by the way. I do believe the lows have got a bit more excitement than the highs this year anyway, this year alone. Don't get me wrong, a couple banging high colorways, but nothing that stands out to me. The lows, on the other hand, Mockers, the trophy rooms was this year, I believe. Was the shadows this year? But at the minute, a lot more people are enjoying the lows compared to the highs. And for me to even bat an eyelid at this silhouette, that just says it all, bruh. But let's see what all the fuss is about. In today's episode, it is the Jordan 1 Low, Howard University. So these were released on the 12th, and today is the 12th, but they came out early over here in the UK through Offspring. As far as I know, it might have been a mistake because they took them down and then they put up like a countdown until the 12th. So yeah, we kind of got lucky getting them in. I just thought it was a cool colorway to have a look at. Yes, bowling shoe vibes aside, still a nice colorway in my opinion. Let's move it a bit more forward, get more screen time over her. So yeah, this sneaker being called Howard University Jordan 1 Low is pretty much inspired by the uni over there. Obviously, I can only say so much just because I'm over here in the UK. To anyone that sort of attended that university or been around it, I guess, yeah, this might be the one you're looking at. But as a standalone colorway, still for me, very clean. Now, when it comes to the box, it's very left field in a good way though, compared to your standard Jordan 1. No boring red and black box. This is sort of like a cream with a navy. To be honest though, there could have been a little bit of red just because of the actual colorway's name. But the only other thing worth mentioning is the spare laces. They come with a navy pair. Now, the product sticker does say Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, and the official colorway is Summit White and Gym Red. So if you are new to the Jordan 1 Low, or if you're wondering, does this colorway fit different to the others? Well, no, they don't. Although they do feel a bit longer and have a bit more space compared to the highs, I still can't go half a size down. And some people swear by it, but for me, I go true to size. And yes, there's a little bit more room than I'm used to, but I still don't mind it. In my opinion anyway. Going half a size down is cutting it a little too fine. But look, if you've tried any other Jordan 1 Low, especially the OG cut, they fit just like them. But short story long, go true to size. You know what? These are very nice. A lot better in hand as well. You know, that classic quote. Don't just take my word for it. Let's have a look, shall we? Now, the colorway does work, in my opinion. Yes, you might get bowling shoe vibes, but still, it does go well. In terms of the QC and the quality of the materials, yeah, the overlays are far superior than the underlays. The red and the blue has that sort of tumbled look to it, and when you touch it, it does sort of crease, so you can see the quality. And I wish I could say the same about the white panels, but it's not the case. It's not the worst leather, but I mean, it's nowhere near the best. But yeah, one thing I wish they did on more Jordan 1 Lows is that mini Nike swoosh, giving it that little pop of color with that red on that blue. It's really nice to see. Something small, but does make a difference. Now we've got this sort of pink hit to the tongue, and it's not too bad. It looks aged more than anything. And also, we've got these laces that are sort of in between cream and white. Now they aren't waxed, but they're not the softest, so yeah, they do hold their shape pretty well. Now another nice touch is that red Nike Air on top of the tongue. I'm glad they went with that instead of navy. Now of course the sock liner though is in navy with again that red Nike Air towards the back of the insole. Now this is kind of cool. They could have went with a sort of embossed or debossed Air logo, but yeah, they went with a stitched navy wings logo here, which is cool because it adds a bit more shine to it. Now we've got that regular Jordan 1 midsole, and yes, it does come in this sort of cream color, and it's not too overdone, which is nice. And to finish off on the outsole, it's that clean navy colorway. Right, what are we saying about the Jordan 1 Low Howard University? Is it a colorway you could see yourself wearing? Is it one you're eyeing up for the collection? And most importantly, are these a buy or a buy? Now I've said it time and time again on this channel about the Jordan 1 Low not really being my cup of tea, but ever since the mockers came out, it's kind of made me see things differently. And it's colorways like this, you know, the Travis Scotts, the Shadows, and other premium OG cuts that has slowly convinced me to give this shoe a sort of fifth chance, I guess. Now it does seem to me that over the past sort of year, 2, I guess even 3 years, that Nike and Jordan brands are sort of taking care more of the lows now. Before it was mainly all about the highs. Yes, the lows did get a fire colorway here and there, and yes, a Travis Scott too. And thinking about it now, could it be because of the Adidas Samba's sort of resurgence, where Nike may have sat down and been like, hold on, this sneaker looks a bit similar in terms of the cut and the profile. Maybe it's about time we show this sneaker a bit more love. Maybe it's just me reaching or overthinking it, but that kind of does make sense. But look, this colorway on its own though is an absolute banger. The use of that navy with that muted reds and the premium materials on a lot of these panels, yeah, it does work. Okay, I've got to sit up for this one. The Jordan 1 Low Howard University is indeed a buy. But let me know your thoughts down below. Are you a fan of this colorway? Are you looking to add these in your rotation? Maybe you're waiting for these to go on sale, or is this an absolute miss? And whilst you're here, broskies, don't forget to join the Discord. The link is down below in the description box. Also, we are starting up a new channel that sort of focuses on tech, content creating tips, and that sort of jazz. The link's down there too. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And yes, till the next episode, take care.